guys, today we're back on Boston's videos and we are gonna open up a what is it again? Okay, Duskmane Zekrana GX, an Ultra Beast. So let's open this up. Here is our promo card, our Duskmane Zekrom GX, the Ultra Beast. I am gonna grab me a sleeve. Okay, we're just gonna set this like right up here so that you can see that, because that is a beautiful card. Okay, here is our Ultra Prism, Crimson Invasion, Steam Siege, which some people think is getting old, and Fates Collide. Okay, I'm just going to use them exactly how I pulled them out. I'm just going to put this tin right here, and let's start off. So, here we go with our Fates Collide pack. Okay, the code card, and 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh, these cards are backwards. Okay, I'll fix that once I get over there. So we're starting off with a Moltres, okay, I knew what would happen. And his name is Braixen, and Mega Catcher. I that's the right way. A Spoink, a Ditto, a Lavatar, a Meowth, Coughing, and they did not give us our last rare card. I think that was the Moltres. Okay, let's grab us our Moltres. I did too many. Oh yeah, I remember it's for the XY packs. I'm pretty sure it's only 3. So here's our 2 rare cards. I'm going to set those down. Okay, next up is our XY Steam Siege pack. We love Starbucks in this family, so we're ordering online so that our grandma can give it to us.
It's a latte, hot latte, extra.
Here we go.
Mom! What? I need a Starbucks. Sorry, y'all.
Oh wait, I did too many. Okay, we're starting off with a Steelix Spirit Link. Okay, that's a really nice card. A Rapidash, Nuzleaf, Clang, Mareep the sheep, Bergmite, Fungus. You look like a Pokeball. Joltik, Cecil, and a Primate for the rare card. Okay. Okay, now we're on to the Sun and Moon. We love us some Sun and Moon because we can get us some GXs out of this. GXs. All the lovely GXs. The lovely, 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 lovely GXs. You guys know what I'm talking about? So, an Energy. Ooh, and a Alolan Graveler. A Staravia. A Gladion. Murdervis, who looks very mad. An Alolan Geodude. A really weird Pikachu. A Skidoo. Okay, a Starly. A Ilmoga. Oh my gosh. We got an Alolan Golem GX. Okay. We're going to get us a sleeve. I didn't know if we were going to get a GX today, but whew, was I wrong. Okay. Sleeve that up nicely. Okay. Our last pack. Let's just pat Pikachu on the head for good luck. I hope we pull an Ultra Beast or something in this pack, but still be fine because we already got us 2 GXs today, but another one would be nice. Okay, code card 1, 2, 3, and 4. Starting off with an electric type energy, a Rotom, which is 120. gosh. Okay, a Drifloon, a Garbite, Krogunk, Riolu, Twirwing, Salandit, Eevee, an Execute, and an Electivire that does 130 for our rare card. Well, we had some good pulls today. We got 2 GXs, 1 Full Art, 1 Ultra Beast. Well, see you later. Come and watch our other videos, and I'll see you on our next video. Bye!